Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rinku Handcrafts. Today we are going to see how to make cute hairband for winter. The pattern is very easy and it looks really beautiful. I call it as horizontal bar pattern. So let's start. Now to start, first make a slip stitch to our hook. So like this, hold your yarn, insert your finger, twist the yarn, pull this end and make a loop here. Now insert your hook in the loop. Now here I'm going to make some number of chains. These chains depend upon the size of your hairband. So if you want a long hairband, so you can go with more number of chains here. For my hairband, I'm going to make total 85 chains here. Keep these chains a little bit tight, don't make it too loose. 4, 5, like this I'll make my chains, and once I complete total 85 chains, then I'll meet you back at the end. Now here I have made my 85 chains. Now for row 1, here we are going to skip this first chain from the hook. This first chain we are going to skip, and in this next chain we are going to make one half double crochet stitch. So for half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook in this loop, pull the yarn. You have 3 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn from all 3 loops at once, like this. Yarn over, insert your hook in this next loop, pull the yarn. You have 3 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn from all 3 loops at once. Now like this, in each of these loops we are going to make one half double crochet stitch till we reach here at the end. And once you complete your row 1, then you can meet me back here at the end. And at the end of row 1 you should have total 84 half double crochet stitches. Now here I have completed my row 1 with 84 stitches. Here you can see. And now for row 2 we will chain 1 and turn our work like this, and now we will work on the back side. And now here we are going to make half double crochet stitches again, but we are going to do that in the back loop only. So for that, yarn over, insert your hook in this V loop, not below V loop, in this V loop, and lift this back loop here like this. Now pull the yarn. You have 3 loops on the hook. Now pull the yarn from all 3 loops at once. So this is our first half double crochet stitch. Here you can see we did it in the back loop here. Now again yarn over, insert your hook in this V loop, pull this back loop, pull this yarn through the back loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops at once. I'll show you one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook in this back loop, pull the yarn through all 3 loops at once. So like this we will make one half double crochet stitch in each of these loop till you complete row 2 with 84 stitches, and then meet me back here at the end. Now here I am at the end of row 2 and I am left with these 2 loops here. So I'll make my half double crochet here, one half double crochet, and this last one is little bit tricky, but don't forget to make a stitch in that, so it will give you a straight edge at the end. So like this. And now here our row 2 is done. Now again for row 3, chain 1 and turn your work like this. And now we are going to follow the same pattern of making half double crochet stitch in the back loop for every row. You can, if you want, you can change your yarn. You can use different color yarn also. I'm going to use that, but right now I'm going to make third row with the same yarn. So again I'll follow the same pattern, make half double crochet stitch in this back loop here like this, one half double crochet stitch in each of this back loop till you complete total 84 stitches, And once you complete your row 3, then meet me back here at the end. Now here I am about to finish my row 3, and I'll make my last half double crochet stitch in this last back loop here. And before completing this stitch, I'm going to use different color yarn here. So I'll make this last stitch with white color yarn to have a smooth transition for next row, like this. Now chain 1, now here you can see our row 3 is done. Now I'll start my round 4. For that we'll turn our work like this. And again I'll make one half double crochet stitch in each of this back loop, and I'll complete my row 4. And like this I'm going to continue total 9 rows here, and in between I'm going to change my yarn again. So for 4th and 6th row I'm going to use this cream color yarn, and for other rows I'm going to use this pink color yarn. So once I'm done with my whole hairband, then I'll meet you back at the end. So before that I'll just show you 1 or 2 stitches here. Now like this complete your rows, total 9 rows, and then meet me back at the end. Now here I'm about to finish my 9th row, that is the last row. I'm left with 2 loops here, so I'll make 1 half double crochet each in these last 2 loops, here and then here in the last one, like this. Then chain 1 to secure it and pull the yarn, and now you can cut it like this. Now I'll show you how this pattern looks. So here you can see this is the front side and this is the back side of our headband. Now here you can see these horizontal bars. That's why I called it horizontal bar pattern. And now we will see how to join these 2 ends together. Now this is the front side of our headband, and now to join these 2 ends, first we will fold it in half like this, 2 sides, then merge these sides into each other like this and hold it here. Just keep a gap of 1 finger from both the sides like this, and then we are going to sew these ends together so that it will be secure. So hold it like this and start attaching these ends together. Make sure that all 4 ends are there on the needle. And now hold these 2 loops together like this. Now we are going to join these 2 loops now. Now here you can see our headband is secure now, so you can turn it inside out and This is the front side of our headband. Here you can see how pretty this looks. And this twist is just perfect, you can see. And this is the back side of our headband. If you like my video, then please give big thumbs up. Write down your questions, comments or any feedback in the comment section, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you soon in the next one.